Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in. I'm joking, guys. Thank you so much for tuning in. If you are new to the channel, please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. You know the drill. But if you're a regular, welcome back, honey. Welcome back, sweetie. Welcome back. So today Today I am going to a Fenty beauty launch. I'm going to a Fenty beauty launch, right? I'm not sure what time it starts. I think it starts at around 7ish, right? But I'm ready. But the problem is my outfit is banging, everything is nice. As you guys can see, I look good, but this jacket is just revealing. It's doing a lot for me. So I'm gonna request now. I never go to events at this time, like this late. Wow. I'm even thinking of just swapping, because I feel like this is revealing, and then I also don't want my legs to reveal as well. So I feel like wearing a pair of jeans with some heels and then just call it a day. But let's try that out and then see, what's up. I want you guys to see it. I want you guys to see the whole full thing. Like this is moi, right? I've been trying to talk. I just got back from the Fenty Beauty launch party. As you guys can see, it was hectic, but the hectic as in it was so lit. It was so nice. They had a which I absolutely love. Oh, sorry, I'm just trying to get rid of things that I left on my bed while I was trying to get ready earlier on. So I got back. I'm so tired. Let me just sit down. Yo, hi guys, I'm so tired. Like, I'm literally so tired. I don't even want to take off my makeup, but I know if I sleep with my makeup on, I'm gonna regret it in the morning, right? The party was so lit. I literally saw every YouTuber, every influencer, every celebrity, and I was starstruck. And then on top of that, I was also grateful because meeting all of those people, I never thought it would actually happen. Like, never in my entire life did I ever think that I would meet so many influencers, celebrities, TikTokers, YouTubers, all in one space. Okay guys, just one last thing before I go to bed. I got my Fenty Beauty lipstick. I don't know, I'm not sure what this is, but I'm trying to open it. But I jonga into ingxakile. Is that a lipstick? Which one up? Sorry guys. Hey. Okay, it says insert. Hi man, but it's not budging. Because it's supposed to open kaloku ngoku, but all my fingerprints now are starting to show on the thing, which I'm so confused. Hey guys, zange naxakwa yi-lipstick ngeli hlobo. Hayi bo Riri. Hey. But at least now there's something. Even though it kind of looks like a mess, but at least there's something. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So, I was watching Stranger Things, right? And I never knew it's such a great series. So right now I have to go and do my nails because these babies look terrible. I have to go and do my nails and my Uber's outside, so come along with me so that you guys can see where I get my nails done. And they're honestly the best. To me, they're the best. So they do have one in Midrand, they have one in North Riding, and then I'm not sure where the other one is, but I'll leave it down below in the description box. So, but for now, I'm currently super late, so let's go to my nails done.
Then dip me underway. You can hit me on my first love when I went slow. Hold me till I scream for air to breathe, and wash me over until my will runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby, baby.
Good. I hope you guys are well. Let me take off my glasses. I hope you guys are good. So today is Saturday. Time is like 2 o'clock and I'm going to Macro to go and buy myself a heater. I think I posted this on Instagram. If you don't follow me on Instagram, please go ahead. It's Lusana.z literally. So I posted this question on Instagram and I asked people if whether should I get a gas heater, an electric heater, or a paraffin heater. And honestly, to me, I am gonna get a paraffin heater because you guys want to sabotage me. You guys you guys literally want my electricity bill to be high in winter. So I'm not gonna get the bar heater, the electrical heater, because I'm very high, and I'm not gonna get the gas heater because I'm scared of third-degree burns, because I have a friend who's a nurse. She tells me these stories about people getting gas burnt and stuff like that, so I'm literally scared of that. Plus I also don't have a man who's gonna light that stuff for me, so rather just get an old school heater and kulelengayo back at my grand's house. That's the heater that we have, and obviously a gas heater as well. But heater le paraffin, it's an OG, like it literally warms up the whole place. Plus I'm probably sure you guys have seen in my in my video, my empty apartment tour, that my place, literally the whole house, has tiles. My Uber is here, so I have to leave. By the way, I want to share a secret with you guys. If you guys want to avoid guys, right, because that's 90% me. If you want to avoid guys, just get yourself like a fake ring and then just put it on, and then people will not greet you and they'll think that either engaged or you're married and things like that. But yeah,
Deep, babe, deep, babe, deep. Then dip me underway. You can kill me on my foot, no, no, no. Hold me till I scream for every, and wash me over until my well runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby, baby. And rock right up to the.
I've gotten a mirror, but it was so stupid because look, it's $7.89, but I'm not here for that. That I bought, there's only one, but here's the other one. So I'm thinking of getting another one, and they have a whole variety here. So if you're looking for crockery, like nice crockery, come to Macro. This crazy deal, this nice plate is like only 25 rand. It's crazy.
Mountain, I want the playing of deep, babe, deep, babe, deep. I was good on my own, that's the way it was. That's the way it was. You was good on the low for a fake.
Guys, I just got back from running my errands, and let me tell you, I think I just need to be a housewife at this point, because all I do each and every weekend is just shop. So originally I wanted to go and get a heater, but I was gonna get a paraffin heater. I'm still gonna get it, but then what I saw is that they don't have it in stores anymore. Like, guys, like, what happened? Like, si landuga sota heater paraffin. So I don't know why stores don't have it anymore, right? But that's besides the point. So as I was looking for this heater, right, I went to Mr. Price Home in Woodmead, and I got a gem. Guys, look at this painting. Just look at it, and you won't believe how much it was. Right, so my plan is I need to put it here, and I feel like it's gonna go so nicely if I put it here. And then I saw the curtains that I'm supposed to get, which are kind of like these colors, like this light creamish color, but you guys obviously won't see it because I mean it's facing the light. But if I do that, maybe no, you guys won't see it. So I got this, and you won't believe how much I got it for. I got it for $259. It was from 800 to 259. Woo! So that's a bargain to me. So yeah, those are the only things that I did today. And then I also got myself some Krispy Kreme. I mean, can't go wrong with Krispy Kreme when you're running errands. And yeah, so I'm just gonna order the heater on Take A Lot. Hopefully they can get it delivered ASAP, because one thing about Johannesburg, it's very flipping cold. So yeah, guys, those are the things that I did today, and I am hungry because I didn't. Yeah, anyways, I'll chit chat to you guys when I have something interesting to do. But if you like the video so long, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
Cause she saw a young nigga pull up in the Rover. Now she said she wanna come over, yeah. But I don't want no love. I just wanna make the moolah love. Yeah, the moolah love.
So guys, here it is. Ooh, come and drink. So here it is, right? So this is the paraffin heater. So if you guys don't know, paraffin I think we galela apa. I'm not sure. Oh no. We galela apa because I know. We galela apa. You pour it in here, and then it came with a funnel. And then there was supposed to be a manual box because I don't know what's happening here. You see now, this is scaring me because it's not supposed to be like that. But anyway, wait, let's just figure it out.
On the daily, plenty tryna love me, but it ain't no love. Lovely, looking like she feelings lost. Tryna stack my bread so I can't knock her. I don't need your loving, so don't tell me nothing. Oh, you think I'm bluffing when I say no coffee. Shorty said she coming with her brethren, cause she saw a young nigga pull up.